Blockchain development is accelerating at a rapid rate. There are two types of blockchain layers in the crypto world: Layer 1s, which are the Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., and Layer 2 are the coins built on these blockchains. Launching a token is now easy, and Layer 2 tokens can be deployed on Ethereum within a second. But what happens when we want to build a Layer 1 blockchain? This can cost millions of dollars and is highly difficult. In order to make this development easier, Cosmos developers create their own L1 network using the Cosmos SDK or Software Development Kit to deploy their own native blockchain. The Cosmos ecosystem is growing rapidly and creating tens of billions of dollars in value, but they're limited because they're not compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, also known as EVM, and can't use tools such as metamask. Therefore, this is where Evmos comes in. Evmos is the project that unites Ethereum tooling with the Cosmos SDK. It is an open-source, scalable, and interoperable version of Ethereum. Today we would be discussing Evmos. We would be looking into what Evmos is all about, how it works, what makes it unique, important features, the Evmos coin, and its tokenomics. But before we dig deep into this, guys, like this video and help us get it to as many people as possible. And if you like Web3 contents, then subscribe to this channel, drop a comment saying you subscribed, and I would get in touch as soon as possible. Now guys, let's get into it. What is Evmos? Evmos is a Layer 1 blockchain which is part of the Cosmos ecosystem. The idea is simple: bring Ethereum dApps to the Cosmos ecosystem, and allow developers to create their own blockchains that are compatible with the EVM by forking Evmos. To put it in another context, Evmos is an inter-blockchain communication protocol, aka IBC, the IP layer for blockchains. IBC is currently the safest and most secure and decentralized way to move assets across different blockchains, unlocking interoperability across multiple chains. The Cosmos ecosystem has generated tens of billions of dollars in the crypto industry as hundreds of popular projects use the SDK or Software Development Kit to produce their own Layer 1 blockchains. This includes Cosmos, Terra, Polygon, BSC, Chronos, Injective Protocol, Kadena smart contracts, and many more. Evmos is powered by Tendermint, a consensus engine that provides faster finality and lower transaction fees than Ethereum. It is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which means all existing Ethereum dApps written in the Solidity programming language can be ported over. I know this can be a bit technical, but stay with me, you would understand this. For instance, Evmos supports NFTs. The first NFT marketplace, called Orbit, launched in May. Users on Orbit can trade NFTs without mandatory escrows, meaning their assets stay in their wallet while they're listed. How does Evmos work? Evmos is based on proof of stake, which means it uses validator staking to decentralize and secure the network. The consensus algorithm is based on Tendermint, which is the standard consensus of the Cosmos SDK used by blockchains such as Luna. Despite being proof of stake, the blockchain is compatible with Ethereum and the Solidity programming language. This means it belongs to the league of the so-called Ethereum killers, and can be compared to Avalanche, Phantom, Near Protocol, and others. The difference is that Evmos is fully open source and encourages developers to fork it and use it on their project. Evmos is currently one of the most forked projects in the Cosmos ecosystem. Let's look into some important features of Evmos. Number 1. EVM compatibility. In case you don't understand what EVM means, let me explain this a bit. The Ethereum virtual machine is the computer behind Ethereum's smart contracts. The EVM processes the Solidity code that allows smart contracts to run on top of the Ethereum blockchain, making it programmable. Therefore, if a Cosmos-based blockchain wants users to connect with a Web 3.0 wallet, they have to install Cosmos-only wallets. With Evmos, users can continue using their Ethereum tooling while simultaneously benefiting from the Tendermint consensus engine. This means that Ethereum dApps such as Uniswap that are powered by Solidity smart contracts can be ported over to the Evmos ecosystem. Number 2. Developer framework. The primary function of Evmos, as with other Cosmos blockchains, is to provide the code for the development of other Layer 1 networks. This code is open source and available for free on GitHub. Using the Cosmos Builder software, Ignite, developers can fork Evmos and produce their own blockchain in seconds. 3. Tendermint Consensus. Tendermint is a proof-of-stake, Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus engine. Furthermore, Tendermint also provides faster throughput and lower gas fees than Ethereum. On Evmos, the average transaction fee is less than 1 cent and the finality is under 3 seconds. The highest supported TPS is 10,000 on Evmos. Number 4. Application Blockchain Interface, also known as ABCI. The Application Blockchain Interface, ABCI, is a feature that allows EVM-based dApps to connect to the Tendermint consensus engine. For example, if we have an NFT marketplace such as OpenSea on Evmos, and we want to port it over to our blockchain, the ABCI interface sends API requests and responses to the dApps. The NFT marketplace then sends a signal back to the blockchain, which is immediately passed among the 150+ validators on the network and processed. Instead of using the proof-of-work model on Ethereum, Evmos brings programmable smart contracts on proof-of-stake with higher scalability. 5. Interblockchain Communication, also known as IBC. The Interblockchain Communication Protocol was developed by Cosmos to allow for communicating and porting over assets from different chains. For example, if we want to transfer value from Evmos onto Atom, we can do this easily using IBC. Evmos is IBC compatible and there are bridges that allow users to transfer Ethereum and ERC20 assets on the Evmos blockchain. Let's round this up by looking into Evmos Coin. The Evmos token is the native payment token of the Evmos ecosystem. Evmos was initially known as Ethermint on the Cosmos ecosystem, but it never had a token until May 2022 at the Evmos launch. Evmos has a total supply of 1 billion, with a circulating supply of about 286 million, a market cap of about $740 million, and currently selling at about $3. The fact is that Evmos is doing a great work connecting other dApps to the Cosmos ecosystem, so they can enjoy some interesting applications available on that ecosystem. But whether that would be enough to sustain the development of the project is a question one has to answer. And with Ethereum 2.0, many other loopholes in the Ether would have been filled. Therefore, most projects termed as the Ether killers would need to do more than just being another easy-to-use, lesser gas fee smart contract, to attract more usage. Let us know what you think about Evmos in the comments section. Kindly note that this is not a financial advice, but for educational purpose only. Like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification, to get notified each time we post a video on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.